Let's start by adding the regular fractions that you know with a common denominator. So let's say that you have 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5. What do you do? Well, since there is a common denominator, then you just add the numerator. So then you will have 2 plus 1 over 5. That equals 3 over 5. The 5 represents the whole. The numerator represents how many pieces you have of the whole thing. And so basically, you want to make sure that every single piece, or let's say that you have a pie, you want the pie to be divided in the same number of pieces, so each piece can be the same size. So that's the reason that we want to have a common denominator. I'm hoping that that was clear. So again, every time that you are going to add or subtract fractions, you have to have a common denominator. So we're going to be performing this operation, but now we're going to do it with variables. So let's say that I have to add 6x plus 5 over x squared minus 3 plus 3x minus 1 over x squared minus 3. So on this one, we just have to add the numerators. There's really not a whole lot of things that you need to do. So it's going to be 6x plus 5 plus 3x minus 1 over x squared minus 3. So then we combine like terms. 6x plus 3x, that is 9x. And then 5 minus 1 is going to be plus 4 over x squared minus 3. We also have to find the value or values of x for which the expression is undefined. This means the value or values of x that make the denominator 0. How do we find this? Well, we make x squared minus 3 equal to 0, and we solve for it. So we add 3 to both sides. That's going to give us x squared equals 3. Then we square root both sides. So we're going to have x equals positive negative 3. So what does it mean? That we cannot have x equal 3 or negative 3. Those are the two values that I cannot have. Let's try another one. Is x minus 3 over x plus 4 plus x minus 2 over x plus 4. Again, we have the same denominator, so we just have to combine the like terms in the numerator. So it's x minus 3 plus x minus 2 over x plus 4. So we combine like terms, x plus x, that is 2x. Negative 3 minus 2, negative 5 over x plus 4. If I make the denominator equal to 0, well, x plus 4 equals 0. So then x cannot be negative 4, because if it was negative 4, it will make the denominator 0, and I cannot divide by 0. And that's the answer.